Howdy howdy, friends. Okay, we got to get these spins done. I almost forgot today. All right, so I made a list here. I'm spinning 7 times. I've got everybody's names in. Let me show you. So I'm going to do 5 of the silvers, then the floral, then the confetti. And I'm just going to put them right, right in order. So let's do the first one. Rebecca. Congrats to you, Miss Rebecca. And then we're going to remove her name, because she can't win twice. Here goes our second one. Carol. Congrats to you, Carol. So far, these are all people that I have their addresses from other things they've won. So, that's going to make it easy. Lucy, sweet girl. Also have Lucy's address. Here we go. Karen Miller, I don't know if I have your address, my friend. I know I've seen you all over, but I also know you're newish. Okay, removing Karen. This will be the last one for the silver sets, you guys. Jenny. Remove. Okay, the next person is getting the floral overlay. Amy Mae, girl, you're a winner. And then the last person is getting the confetti set. It's gonna be close. Nicoletta. Nicole, I do not have your address, so give me a shout out on Facebook and send me over your address. And I will get these in the mail tomorrow, you guys. Have a good night.